Ethanol is basically the same thing that you get in a backyard still. You take the most traditional method is fermentation of a grain such as corn, wheat, barley, something like that. Cook it, add enzymes, and allow the starch to ferment into allow the starch to convert into sugar, allow the sugar to convert into ethanol. Ethanol from biomass is actually very similar in the latter stages. The only difference is the initial stage of the process. Ethanol from biomass, instead of taking a whole grain such as corn and using the starch that is in that grain, you use other parts of the plant or other parts of biomass that could even be waste product. Virtually anything that has a cellulose content, such as wood waste, grass clippings, the corn stalks, corn stover, the parts of the plant that would otherwise be discarded and cannot be used for anything. Ethanol it has a tremendous impact on climate change. There is a significant reduction in greenhouse gases as a result of ethanol use. Ethanol used from traditional fermentation probably results in a 15 to 20% reduction in greenhouse gases over the use of gasoline. Ethanol from a biomass fermentation is significantly larger, the reduction in greenhouse gases. That's probably 80 to 90% reduction when compared to gasoline, because those are products that would otherwise simply be discarded. Ethanol does reduce our dependence on foreign oil. It does generate tremendous benefits to the local economies and to the national economy of the United States. It reduces greenhouse gases, it helps the environment, burns cleaner, reduces tailpipe emissions, and every additional gallon that's produced and used is a gallon of oil that we don't have to import.